Hey, to free up storage on Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, go to the settings. Now you'll have to scroll down, open device care and move into the storage. When we are here, we can actually find trash files. So if you delete something, it still actually appears in the recycle bin. And if you want to remove these files, like completely, click on the edit, accept for example all of them and select delete all. Then you can also check unused apps. So if there's like some apps that you weren't using in 30 days, it will be actually shown right here. So you can select these apps and uninstall them. And this is actually how many space you are going to free up. Also, you can remove the duplicate files. So as you can see in my case, for example, I've got two the same songs. And at the bottom, we can find large files bigger than 25 megabytes. Also, we can remove them from our phone. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.